Well, hey there. Today I'm going to Nashville, Tennessee to finally see my best friend. I haven't seen her in 3.5 months. It's just ridiculous. So I'm taking this whole weekend to just go hang out with Lauren. I should probably go pay for my gas. Next stop, Nashville.
It's trying to champion honesty.
Here we go.
I hate you. Get it off!
I'm gonna shower really quick and then go to bed because I'm exhausted from driving 9 hours. See y'all tomorrow. It's tomorrow. We're hanging out. Finally. It's been how long?
3 months?
3.5 months.
3. I said 3. You added the half.
That's because it's the half is truth. All right, it's been a lot of time. We're gonna hang out all day.
We're gonna go clean out my nanny car.
We just watched the Zodiac. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
And we're gonna watch La La Land, I believe.
Yeah. You see the kitty?
Where? Aw.
Oh. Hi. I hate it so much.
So where are you guys at?
We're in
Nashville.
Oh, cool.
We're about to do face masks.
You like some pumpkin?
Oh!
Oh yeah, just do it.
Ah! These bright and glimmering faces.
Stop farting!
I can't. You fed me chili.
You've had over 12 hours to knock it off.
I'm so sorry about my fart.